Hi, this is Rock. We're going to take a look at two functions, TOCOL and TOROW, which means to column and to row. So what each of these does is it takes an array and transfers it into a single column, or it takes an array and transfers it into a single row. So I'll show you, this is very simple and straightforward. I'm going to use TOCOLUMN here, and we'll take this array, hit enter, and you see how it just took this whole array and put it into a single column. That can be very useful at different points. Let's do it for TOROW. Equals TOROW, grab this, and you see how that changed it all into a single row. That's what it does. It's very handy at different points. We'll use it in the future. That's TOCOL and TOROW. And next we'll be looking at sort and sort by. See you then.